y'all, it's Baby J, and I am by myself right now. I ain't up to nothing though. I ain't up to nothing. I need some lip gloss. Okay. And me out here looking crusty. Crustier than crusty. Alright, you know, gotta over gloss the lips. Okay. Are those bags under my eyes? Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, before I get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button because I mean, like, why not? Like, this video is really gonna be about how I do my eyebrows because, like, when I do my eyebrows, people be asking me like, how you do your eyebrows? They look so good. And it's like, I might as well just make a video. I'm also about to be putting on these lashes, just like some regular strip lashes or whatever. I'm using hair glue. I'm sure like all girls at this point just use hair glue on their lashes because it works. No, the inner corner ain't trying to stay on. Like, why do I have to do this twice? Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got the lash on. Okay, so let's finally get into these brows though. I use LA Colors in the color dark brown, and I use this little brush. And then sometimes I conceal my brows and sometimes I don't. But when I do conceal my brows, I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's in the color medium beige, and then I just blend it out with a beauty blender. So yeah, let's get into these brows though. First, I am going to just start by brushing my brows. I like to brush the front of my brows like upward and then just brush the rest of my brows like, you know, accordingly. If I need my brows done or something, I will just pluck them myself. Right now my brows really don't need to be plucked at all, so I'm just gonna leave them be. So take the little brow pomade stuff and I just dip it in and then like brush the excess off the side. I start on the outer part of my brow and then work my way in. I'm just going to outline the outer part of my brow, the top and the bottom. Start at like the middle part of the brow and just outline. So yeah, that's step one. Step two, fill in the outer parts of the brow. Like, fill that in, darken it. You just make it like however dark you want it to be. I don't know why, but like every time, like before I dip my brush back into like the pomade, I just wipe it off like on a piece of tissue or something, just so it won't be all clumped up. Now I'm gonna do the beginning of my brow. I'm just going to outline again, top and bottom. I like to do it like pretty lightly, just so when you blend it, like the line won't be super harsh. So like, you see how like skinny that line is? Yeah, that's how you want it to be on the top and the bottom. What I like to do is like take the brush like this or whatever, and then just like lightly, like, I can't really explain like this upward motion. It's basically like you making like your own little like hairs, but with the brow stuff. So after that, I take my brush. You want to brush it forward because it's like spreading all through. Basically just blend everything together. So far, this is what we have on the brow. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. We're just gonna do the same thing with the other brow. So this one looks pretty good as well. It seems like one of my brows is always darker than the other one, but I think today we might have hit it on the nose with these. So I mean, once you're satisfied with how your brows look, then I mean that's really it. So after I finish actually filling in my brows, I just take a Q-tip and I just like go on the outline of my brows, like just to give it like a more crisp look before the concealer or even without the concealer. Today I don't think I want to put any concealer on my brows. They look good without concealer, so I think I'm just going to leave them the way that they are. But if you did want to use concealer, then basically what you would do is just take the concealer, outline it top and bottom, or sometimes I even just do the bottom and then just blend it out with the beauty blender. And I mean, that's really it. Like, it's easy piece of cake. I hope that this video was informative. Let me know in the comments if my brows are bomb or not so bomb, if I need some more practice. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment video ideas, comment what else you want to see from me. Hair review video is coming soon because everybody, like literally everybody, has been asking me about this hair. So stay tuned and I will see y'all in my next video.
I see you hoes stalking my Snapchat. Y'all know y'all see my little cute